Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add friends and people on 1010. Of course, you need to have your 1010 app, so let's go in and sign in. As you can see here, there are three buttons. You have your hold to talk button on the middle, you have add friends on the right, and you have this, which is your friends list on the left. So what you want to do is either or, right? So tap this, and here there's a big sign that's going to say add friends. Now, we already have a friend. We've already made a video on how to use 1010 app before. So when you use, just tap add friends, and here you will need to put their PIN or their number, their code. As you can see here, this is our PIN. So just copy that. And for the sake of this video, if you want to add that, just tap paste, and then just tap this. And as you can see, this is your own PIN. But once you've copied or pasted their code here, their PIN, you will be good to go, and they will be your friend just like this person. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next one.